Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Mojo. I'm back. It's a new video today. Today it's a special type joint, you know what I mean? Because it's a range day, but it's a different type range day, you feel me? So, about to be here in the range, but today I'm gonna be shooting the 3D printed AR-15. You know what I mean? It's my AR pistol. It's the 3D printed Anderson Hellfire, you know what I mean? I think it's like the V2 Hellfire, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, fuck ATF right there. Or should I say AFT according to Biden. But yeah. There's rounds in there, but it's clear. Yeah, so we're gonna be shooting this. And then another one, boom, 3D printed G26, you know. Shout out to the good guys who do this fucking designing, man. Shit is amazing. And another thing we got this 3D printed. 30 round. Everything 3D printed except the spring. If I could 3D print a spring, that'd be amazing. But yeah, we got these toys today. And I'm gonna be shooting my G17. I'm not gonna bring out the my big 16-inch AR. Just gonna be shooting this and this. And my Glock 17. So 3 guns today. About to hit the range. You know, about to go head out, shoot these guns. Let's see if they explode in my hands like people say. It's like, no, they don't. I've shot 3D printed guns before. But I'm excited though, because I haven't shot these yet. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. And I forgot to add, you know, we rocking the Mojo Tactical hat today. Y'all can see it. Y'all can get you one of these at mojoskateboards.com. You know what I mean? We do it all. Skateboards and outdoor accessories, you know what I mean? AKA I'ma start having mag extensions and all that good stuff, foregrips. Let me give you guys a little example real quick. You know, we got foregrips. Nice little angle foregrip. We got mag extensions, you know, 2 different kinds. Tiny foregrip. This for the ARP. I could slip it on right now. I don't got a Johnny John. I don't got no bolt to secure it, but I'm about to start selling these too, you know. Nice little affordable 3D printed accessories. But yeah, mojoskateboards.com. Get you some shit, you know, get you a tee. Mojo Skateboards Black Power tee, you know. Want Mojo Tactical hat. You know what I mean? Always be ready to say YM Tactical because that's my Instagram for the guns. But yeah, also, yeah, follow my gun page, my firearms Instagram at YM Tactical. My personal One Young Mojo, you know, if you want. But yeah, let's get to the range.
Here they go. Back to the show. Very good. grab it like that, you'll get injured.
Real John Wick.
Fast pace, so you will get. Alright, so all you guys done well, everything is good to go.
This one? Yeah. That's that close. That one, this one's easy.
We back. It's after the range day. A little recap segment, you know what I mean? It's like 2 days after though, you know. I'll be doing stuff. But range day was cool. The guns jammed up on me, as y'all saw. This joint jammed up. This joint didn't jam. The trigger is just really weird. It reset. Then sometimes when I squeeze, it won't shoot. I'm gonna take this apart and put it all back together, getting the slide and everything. Might have to end up getting a new trigger. I don't know, but this joint, like, it shot. Like, nothing cracked on this frame. I had a 17 frame before I printed. I had this frame. This is for a Glock 17. I tried to do like a little stippling thing, but this cracked. This cracked it right here. This cracked, but nothing like that happened with this. This one's still cool. I just gotta mess with the internals. I should have put my other Glock 17 frame that I had. I should have put that on. That would have been way better. I know a lot of people would have wanted to see that, but this mag, it shot pretty good out the 17. I did a little video on my Instagram. It like doesn't clear all the way at the last one. It locks back, but other than that, it ran pretty well. It got dirty as shit, but still did good. Yeah, y'all see that. But for this thing, I had the AR pistol on this. It got a bad jam. The takedown pin. I said the lockdown. Takedown pin kind of got loose, so the gun like jerked up a little bit, and then the jam was like 2 bullets in there, and that was just bad. And then I guess that caused this to crack, because this now has a crack in it. So y'all can see right there at the pin, that's a crack. It like split like right through the layer where the 3D printer prints. So I'm gonna take this apart and I'm just gonna simply print another lower. Shout out to 3D printer. But yeah, so I'm just gonna print another one, probably do it on 100% infill. I think I did this on a 90% infill, like 95 or something, because I printed the whole thing on one go, so I just wanted to speed it up a little bit. But so I'll probably do this 100% infill, and I'm gonna use something else than traditional takedown pins too, because with the 3D printing, you know, you gotta really be on some DIY shit. Like, you gotta do whatever it takes to make it really function properly. But range day was cool, you know. Range day with the ghost guns. This is with the 3D printed ghost guns, you know, what they try to stop niggas from doing. But yeah, look at that. There y'all go.